Hello, dear students. Do you ever feel stuck or nervous when you try to speak English?
Don't worry, we have the perfect solution. Welcome to Learn English with Smart Podcast. I'm James.
And I'm Chloe. In this video, we will practice a very useful real-life conversation together.
Forget about boring grammar rules. We are here to help you speak quickly, easily, and naturally.
If you are ready to master this topic, let's start the dialogue right now. Okay, James, are you ready to start? This box is very heavy.
I am ready. Just put the box on the floor. I can help you with it.
Thanks. We have so many decorations this year. I hope they all fit on the tree.
The tree is big enough. It looks great in this corner. I love the smell of real pine.
Me too. It smells like Christmas. Okay, what should we do first?
We usually start with the lights. If we put the ornaments on first, the lights are hard to fix.
That is true. Where are the lights? I think they are in the small red box.
Let me check. Ah, here they are. Oh no, look at this mess.
What is wrong? Are they broken?
No, they're not broken, but they are totally tangled. It looks like a ball of wire.
Give it to me. I am good at this. You always get angry when you try to untangle them.
I do not get angry, I just get frustrated. Fine, you fix the lights. I will open the box of balls.
Good idea. Just be careful with the glass ones. Remember last year?
Yes, I remember. I broke 2 red balls. I will be very careful this time. Look at these gold ones. They're nice.
I love the gold ones. They look perfect with the green tree. Okay, I think I fixed the lights. That was fast.
Wow, you are fast. Nice work. Let's put them on the tree. Can you hold the end?
Sure. You walk around the tree. I will stand here and feed the wire to you.
Is this high enough, or should I go lower?
Go a little bit lower. We need lights on the bottom branches too. Yes, just like that.
Perfect. Now I'm going up. Tell me if it looks straight.
It looks good. Just make sure there are lights in the back too. Don't forget the back.
Nobody sees the back. It's against the wall.
I know, but we will know. Just put a few lights there. For me.
Okay, fine. Just for you. There. The lights are on. Should we plug them in to test?
Yes, let's test them before we add the decorations.
Wow, look at that. It looks magical already.
It is beautiful. Now comes the fun part, the ornaments. Hand me a red one, please.
Here you go. A big, shiny red one. Where will you put it?
Right here in the middle. It needs a strong branch. Okay, your turn.
I want to put this snowman ornament up high. He looks happy.
I love that snowman. We bought it 3 years ago. Do you remember?
Yes, at that little shop in the city. It was freezing that day.
It was so cold, but we had hot chocolate after. That was a nice day.
Hey, look at this one. It is the star for the top.
Save that for last. The star always goes on last. It is a tradition.
I know. I am just checking it. It looks a bit dusty. I will clean it.
Good idea. Can you pass me the silver bells? They're in the bottom of the box.
Here, these make a nice sound. Jingle bells.
Very funny. Put some on the lower branches. The cat might play with them, but it is okay.
The cat will definitely attack these. I will put them a bit higher, just to be safe.
Smart thinking. This tree is looking really full. Do we have any empty spots?
Take a step back and look. I think there's a hole on the left side.
You are right. It looks a bit empty there. Give me 2 more gold balls.
Catch. Just kidding. Here you go.
Don't throw them. You scared me. Okay, putting them here. How does that look?
Much better. It is very balanced now. We have a lot of tinsel left. Do you want to use it?
No, I don't like tinsel this year. Let's keep it simple. just lights and ornaments.
I agree. Tinsel is messy. It gets everywhere. So, are we ready for the big moment?
Yes, the tree is full, the lights are on, it is time for the star.
Since you entangled the lights, you should put the star on top.
Really? But you're taller. It's easier for you.
I can lift you up, or you can stand on the chair. Come on, you do it.
Okay, I will use the sturdy chair. Hold my hand, please.
I've got you. Be careful. Just place it right on the top branch.
Almost. There, it's on. How does it look?
It looks straight. You can come down now. Careful.
Phew, that was high. Let's turn off the room lights and see the tree in the dark.
Good idea. I will get the switch. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness, it is absolutely stunning, James.
It really is. We did a great job. It feels very cozy in here now.
It does. I'm so happy we did this tonight. Now I really feel ready for the holidays.
Me too. Now, how about that hot chocolate you mentioned earlier?
That sounds perfect. Let's go make some and sit by the fire.
Perfect plan. After you.